can see my rabbit enjoying. This is two female and a male. Two female and a male. This one you are seeing here is a pregnant one. The other one with white patches is a male. This one is a female. You can see them enjoying. Some persons will always ask, does rabbits take feed? You can see them. This is a starter feed meant for birds. Yes, but you can see how they are enjoying it. Before evening, this whole lot of food you are seeing here will be finished by these three rabbits, and their water is there. I just threw away the remaining one I had there, and I cleaned that bowl. I just cleaned it to enable me disinfect it, pour away the yesterday's own, and bringing in a new fresh water. You can notice even the cucumber I dropped, they finished it. Nothing is remaining, it's just only this little one you are seeing. They enjoy cucumber a lot, they enjoy watermelon. But I have been noticing so many things. This is my cage. And you can also see these ones enjoying themselves. These are local birds. So you can enjoy the same local feed. They enjoy it more. And it boosts their laying ability. As you can see them enjoying. You know, this time you see them dropping. They start laying. I have both rabbit and local fowl here, and we are still to get guinea fowl. You know, this time we still have guinea fowl inside this farm. It's a mixed farm where you see so many animals living in a particular place. Thank you. This is Monday. This video for Monday.